Well, hello there. I'm Professor Max Powers. Today we are investigating the differences between light bulbs when it comes to energy efficiency. My assistant Taylor is here to help. The average household uses 70 light bulbs, so it's important for us to maximize their efficiency to save energy and money. Here we have your standard incandescent bulb, your CFL, and your LED. The most efficient
Wait, we're not going to tell them which is the most efficient. We're going to take a few measurements and let the data speak for itself. First, we'll measure the temperature of each bulb with our infrared camera. Be careful with that, it's very expensive. Then we'll measure the foot candles, or how illuminant each light is, with this.
That's called a photometer. Our nifty light box will tell us how much energy in watts each light bulb is using.
We'll also look at the light bulb's packaging to see how many lumens or amount of visible light each bulb produces.
The incandescent light bulb is one of the most commonly used. Let's see how it holds up in our tests. We'll start by measuring the temperature. 346 degrees Fahrenheit. Ouch, that's hot.
333 foot candles, not bad.
And we can tell by our readout that this bulb is drawing 60 watts.
And the package says it produces 850 lumens.
Great. Let's start recording our data. Next, we'll check the compact fluorescent lamp, or CFL. 162 degrees Fahrenheit.
382 foot candles.
16 watts.
900 lumens.
Can you tell which of the bulbs is the most efficient?
The CFL is obviously more efficient. It's much cooler, uses fewer watts, and still produces more foot candles and lumens than the incandescent.
Bingo! Next, we'll check the LED bulb. LED stands for light emitting diode. 96 degrees Fahrenheit.
346 foot candles.
9 watts.
And 800 lumens.
So what's the verdict?
It's hard to tell which bulb is the most efficient just by comparing the columns. The LED is a lot cooler than the rest of the bulbs and only uses 9 watts, but the CFL only uses a few more watts and gives off more light than the LED.
Since our goal is to get more light for less power, we need to determine how much light we're getting for the power we put in. Fortunately, there's a formula for that. Well, we won't be needing all of this. Now, to complete our charts and determine which is the most efficient light bulb. And the winner is the LED. The LED gives you 89 lumens per watt, while the CFL gives you only 56 lumens per watt. And the lowly incandescent gives you a measly 14 lumens per watt.
You might be asking yourself, why would anybody use incandescent bulbs?
LEDs are more expensive, so a lot of people opt for the incandescent bulb, not realizing that it will cost them more money in the long run.
For example, this box of 4 LEDs is about $10, and this box of 4 incandescent bulbs is about $3. That's a big price difference for the average consumer, but LEDs last a lot longer. In fact, it would take more than 10 boxes of incandescent bulbs to last as long as the LEDs.
And that's just the initial cost. As you could tell by our charts, you'll pay a lot less over time by switching to LED bulbs.
You might say switching to LEDs is a bright idea.
Yes, bright being both a synonym for smart and the high quantity of light provided by LED bulbs. Good one, Taylor.
Right, thanks.
Teachers, if you would like a live, interactive version of this demonstration for your students, you can contact my friends at the Kansas Energy Program. Just go to kansasenergyprogram.org/teachers.